A medtech founder from Bengaluru lost his invention, not because it was not good, but because he waited 3 months to file his patent. A competitor copied it, launched first, and even secured investor funding. Hello everyone, I am Ayushi from Diligence Certification. Today I will explain patent registration in India, why it matters, how it works, and how you can protect your idea before someone else. What is patent? A patent is a legal right given by the government for an invention. It allows you to make, use, sell, or license for your invention and stop others for copying it. In India, patent is valid for 20 years from the filing date. Why patent registration is important? Patent registration is not just a legal formality. It protects you from imitation, increase your company value, and build investor trust. A patent product gives you a strong market advantage and helps in licensing and funding. What can be patented? New invention. Your invention must be completely new and not disclosed anywhere in the world before the filing. Technically innovative. It should solve a problem in a technical way that is not obvious to expert in that field. Useful in industry. The invention must be capable of being made or used in real world industries. Patentable examples: products, machines, manufacturing process, chemical formula, biotech invention, and software with a technical effect can be patented. Patent registration process. Patent search. A search is done to be checked if a similar invention already exists. Filing the application. You submit your patent application with technical details and drawings. Publication. The application is published in the patent journal to inform the public. Examination. The patent office checks if your invention meets all legal requirements. Reply to objection. Any question or objection raised must be answered within the given time. Grant of patent. Once approved, the patent is granted and published officially. Priority advantage. Filing early to secure your ownership date even if the patent is granted later. At Diligence Certification, we help startups and innovators secure patents the right way, fast, compliant, and future ready. Protect your idea before market discover it. Don't forget to like and share for more insightful videos.